Here's how to fix mouse double click when your mouse is registering single clicks as doubles and driving you crazy. Right-click your start button and select settings from the list and go to Bluetooth and devices, then mouse. There's an additional mouse settings link at the bottom that opens the old school mouse properties window. In the buttons tab, you'll see a double-click speed slider that you can drag towards slow. This gives your mouse more time to figure out if you're doing 1 click or 2. Hit apply and test it on some folders. Sometimes this timing thing doesn't work because your mouse is just getting worn out. The little switches inside start going bad after months or years of clicking. Before you toss it though, try blowing it out with compressed air. Unplug it first, then spray around the buttons to clear out dust that might be making it act weird. Plug it back in and see if that helps. You can also try reinstalling the mouse drivers, which sounds complicated but isn't really. Go to Device Manager and find mice and other pointing devices. Right-click your mouse and pick Uninstall Device. Don't worry, Windows will put it back when you restart. Sometimes fresh drivers fix weird clicking problems. If none of that works, your mouse is probably just broken. Test it on another computer first to make sure it's actually broken. Assuming it is, you can work around the problem while you shop for a new one. Go to File Explorer, click the 3 dots at the top, then Options. In the General tab, change the setting from double click to single click to Open Items. Now, even if your mouse double clicks everything, Windows only needs 1 click to respond. It feels weird at first, but beats having folders open every time you try to select them. This single click workaround isn't perfect, but it makes a failing mouse usable until you can replace it. Most mice last a couple years before the switches start wearing out, so it's pretty normal to need a new one eventually.